Welcome to my channel where I share a lot of natural ingredients of how you can use it to grow your hair and your baby girl's hair. If you are suffering from thinning hair, hair loss, hair breakages, this channel is great where you can learn how to make all these natural ingredients and use it to grow your hair faster, thicker, and
so
longer.
in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I prepare this henna hair mask. If you know that you are suffering from hair thinning, hair loss and hair breakages, your hair is very thin, I'm going to recommend this henna hair mask to you. It's one of the best hair masks that can help you to strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, and add a lot of volumes into your hair. So in my blender here, and I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of henna powder inside the blender, and I will go ahead and add 1 egg, and then I will add fenugreek seeds, which I already blended. If you know that you have a normal fenugreek seed, just go ahead and blend it before you add it inside. And then I added some coffee, which I already mixed with warm water. And to blend it to a consistency, I went ahead to add my coconut milk inside, and I will just bring the blender to blender, and then I'm going to blend everything together. So one of the most important parts that you need to do before you apply this mask on your hair, please make sure to press this mask, because there's a lot of stuff inside that you don't want to have on your hair. So make sure to press your mask before you go ahead and apply it into your hair. See, this ingredient henna is one of the most powerful hair masks that can really help you to strengthen your hair. If you know that your hair is already tough, you have a very full and tough hair, I don't think you're going to need this hair mask, because this hair mask can really help your hair to be stronger if your hair is very thin. And I would recommend it to you to use it at least once in a month. If you're having a thin hair, if your hair is very thin, use this hair mask for your hair every once in a month for a better result, and also for restoring your root of your hair. So this is my baby girl's hair, and after I wash the hair, my baby girl's hair is very thin, as you guys can see, but the hair is already full, to be honest, but it's just that the hair is thin. It's exactly like my hair type. The hair is full, it's really thick, but it's thin. So I always make sure to use this hair mask every once in a month for her hair, and also for my hair as well. So go ahead and apply this the mask on your hair, and after applying it on your hair, make sure to just run your finger through and massage your scalp for at least 1 to 3 minutes. And after that, you can go ahead and rinse it out and style your hair like your regular style. Just style your hair and let your hair breathe. So hair mask, henna have a lot of benefit when it comes to strengthening the root of your hair. It also helps to stimulate your hair follicles. It helps you to grow that edges and all the patches that you have that already be losing, that already be falling out of your hair. So henna, if you're consistent with this hair mask, it can actually help you to grow that your hair back. You all know that egg is also powerful when it comes to strengthening the hair, and also coffee as well. So that's the reason why I told you, if your hair is thin, if you are suffering with thin hair, I recommend that you try this hair mask every once in a month to really restore your hair back. So after that, go ahead and cover your hair with a plastic bag, or any bag of your choice. Just cover your hair, and you can let it sit for about 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the time that you are having. And after that, you can go ahead and rinse it out, and you can style your hair, put your hair in any protective style. You guys can see my baby girl's hair. Guys, one thing that I didn't realize that was going to do to my baby girl's hair is that it was going to change the color of her hair, because henna can also help you to dye your hair naturally. I completely forgot. Okay, so it changes my baby girl's hair color. The hair was darker, so obviously my baby girl's hair used to be very light, most especially now in summer. Her hair get really light blonde, a little blonde color. But with this hair mask that I added, with this henna hair mask, her hair was a little bit darker, and I was really sad about that. So if you know that you also want to dye your hair in a natural way without any chemicals, and you want to use a natural ingredient to dye your hair, I would recommend this henna hair mask for you. It can actually help you to dye your hair naturally without any chemicals or anything. If you want to have a little bit of color like this, like blonde color, or maybe your hair is black, you just want it to be blonde a little bit, try this henna hair mask. It's actually going to help you to color your hair. Yes, it's going to dye your hair, guys. I do use it every once in summertime, most especially in summertime more, because I wanted my hair to be a little bit lighter. So yeah, this is basically is, and I just put my baby girl's hair in a protective style. As you guys can see, this is my hair oil, and yeah, this is my brand, my hair oil. And if you guys live close to Switzerland and if you want me to send you some, just let me know under the comment section. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your love. To all my old subscribers and my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for always sticking around, for always watching my video and liking and commenting on my video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you once again. In the meantime, hope to catch you on my next one. Have a great day. Bye.